Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots. Today I want to share with you some ideas and inspiration to pull from your kids. Now, my youngest is 14, so she's not very young, but I did pull some things that are from her recently. And then I also helped my aunt clean out her garage, and she had a box of stuff that my daughter had when she was young. So I wanted to make something of a sort like a memory type album or a memory journal with a whole bunch of her stuff and things that I could add to, and also some ideas of some stuff that I took from her recently or in the past that I use on a regular basis for my journals. So something like this that she does not use. It's got water damage, and she's a new age kid, and they're just on electronics all the time. Their homework is in electronics. This is something that she got in like kindergarten, and it's just lined paper that would be a shame to go to waste that we can use. Also, a photo album and some photos that we can toss in there. But these papers will be great to use in journals. Also, a sketch pad that's been somewhat ruined, but there's still papers in here that we can use, aged. Another old sketch pad. I want to find a few things, that my kids drew and put it in their little memory journal. I found an old Lego instruction for a panda. So this will be cute inside of a little journal. So there's all kinds of different ideas. Little writing journals that you can use. This one I just pulled out and found. And also this one, not necessarily for the kids, but I think somebody gave this to her as a gift that she'll never write in. But I thought it would be great stuff to pull out little pieces and, add some what am I grateful for pages to a junk journal, a different journal, or a bunch of different journals here and there. So there's lots of different ideas. Let's check out some more. Some of her happy birthday cards. Also, she just went to see the new Minecraft movie, so I want that to possibly be like the cover of something. Maybe I can make it a cover. Oh yeah, like that. That would be cool. Oh, and I saved her. I saved these too from the toy and this cute little McDonald's thing. These are right now her current favorite. They've been her favorite for a really long time, actually. Some puzzle pieces would be fun. Ribbon that she wore for her volleyball tournament. And then, of course, we've got like coloring book pages that you can go through and like find ones that are either unused or used and pull out to put inside journals. And of course, kids construction paper. And let's see, more kid activity books. And oh, here's one of my favorite, Big Book of Search and Find. I love these. I like adding these to journals. I think it just makes it fun. And like little maps. And then let's see what else is down here. A whole bunch of different, whoops. Oh my gosh. A whole bunch of different activity books. And like I said, these are from when she was little, so of course the age is all the way around. But look at the Care Bears. Oh my gosh. We could totally use some of these. How adorable. Cut out some of this stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys some ideas. I'm going to go through and I'm going to make her a journal with this as a cover. And so you can watch the process, and I'm going to put some of her memorabilia in here from her birthday cards and, favorite things. You know what else you could use also? Oh, here. These big envelopes from school pictures, this could totally be inside of your journal. So stuff like this. All right, so let's take a look at everything we've got. These are all of your ideas from your kids' stash. And I actually pulled this out because she's 14. And I thought it would be super funny to add this to her journal. So let's see what I can pull together here as a base that I can continue to keep adding to, you know, as time goes by. While you're watching, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell if you like my content and you'd like to get notified when new content releases. guys, this is what I have completed for my base. Now, of course, this is far from done. This is just a base to continue going and continue adding memories, adding little things. I've used all kinds of my daughter's stuff from her room to packages from her favorite snacks for little pockets there, extra pockets here. This is just a piece of plastic and not, you know, from packaging that was keeping it from sticking together while it was wet. Pocket here. More birthday cards, an extra little pocket right there. And from an envelope, more little tuck spots. So I think I'm gonna have fun with a lot of the stuff that, you know, she's just got around the house and what she brings home. I think that a lot of it is gonna be really fun to go in here, and she's gonna really love to look at it one day. So hopefully I've given you guys some ideas, and you know, if you do end up making one and posting it, tag me. Let me know what you've created. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please hit the little notifications bell so you can get notified when new videos release. I'm almost to 75,000 subscribers, and I would love to hit that before the end of the month.